Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install WinRAR in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for WinRAR and click enter. After that, you're going to get this website WinRAR and you just have to click on this WinRAR download free and support. Click on that. And here you're going to find out this download option, download WinRAR. If you click on that, and if you click on this download WinRAR, and as you can see, the download has been completed. Now, if you click on the exe file, it will going to open WinRAR setup.bsd. And here, what you have to do, you just need to click on install, and then select all of these, toggle all, and simply click OK. And then you can see the thank you for using WinRAR is rightly downloaded or set up in your computer. And now if you click on run WinRAR, it will going to run WinRAR for your PC. It's a very safe and easy way to download and install WinRAR in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.